Welcome back to our series on NERC Standards. This video will examine the NERC PRC, Protection and Control Standards. What are PRC standards? PRC standards are essential for ensuring the reliability and stability of the bulk electric system, BES, through adequate protection and control mechanisms. These standards guide protection systems, design, maintenance, and operation, ensuring they perform reliably during disturbances and faults. PRC2, Disturbance Monitoring and Reporting, requires installation and upkeep of equipment to monitor and report system disturbances, supporting event analysis and enhancing reliability. PRC4, Protection System Misoperation Identification, mandates identification, analysis, and correction of misoperations in protection systems to ensure these systems perform reliably. PRC5 1.1b and PRC5, Protection System Maintenance, ensures comprehensive maintenance programs for protection systems, including regular testing and documentation to enhance system reliability. PRC6, Automatic Under-Frequency Load Shedding, establishes UFLS requirements to help maintain stability during frequency drops by shedding load to balance the system. PRC6 NPCC, UFLS Regional Requirements for NPCC, specifies UFLS standards for the NPCC region, ensuring that load shedding schemes align with regional stability needs. PRC6 CERC, UFLS Regional Requirements for CERC, addresses its unique operational and reliability challenges through targeted load shedding. PRC8, Under-Frequency Load Shedding Equipment Maintenance, requires testing, inspection, and maintenance of UFLS equipment to ensure proper functionality during frequency-related events. PRC10, Under-Voltage Load Shedding, outlines requirements for UVLS programs that prevent voltage collapse by shedding load when voltage dips below certain thresholds. PRC11, UVLS System Maintenance and Testing, mandates regular testing and documentation of UVLS systems to ensure consistent performance and reliability. PRC12, Remedial Action Schemes, establishes guidelines for designing and coordinating ERAS, which are control schemes that help maintain stability during unusual system conditions. PRC17, Special Protection System Maintenance, requires maintenance and testing programs for special protection systems, ensuring these systems are reliable and documented. PRC19, Coordination of Voltage Controls and Protection, ensures voltage regulating controls and protection systems are coordinated to prevent adverse interactions and support reliable operations. PRC23, Transmission Relay Loadability, sets loadability requirements for transmission relays to prevent unnecessary tripping during heavy load conditions. PRC24, Generator Frequency and Voltage Protective Relay Settings, establishes relay settings for generators to ensure stability during frequency and voltage fluctuations without unnecessary tripping. PRC25, Generator Relay Loadability, requires settings that allow generator relays to handle load conditions effectively, preventing unwarranted disconnections. PRC26, Relay Performance During Stable Power Swings, specifies relay settings to ensure reliable performance during power swings, avoiding unnecessary interruptions. PRC27, Coordination of Protection Systems for Performance During Faults, requires entities to coordinate protection systems to ensure they perform reliably during faults, minimizing the risk of misoperations and enhancing system reliability. NERC's upcoming PRC standards for inverter-based resources including PRC28, Disturbance Monitoring, PRC29, Ride-Through Performance, and PRC30, Unexpected Event Mitigation, are set to be enforceable soon. These standards aim to improve grid reliability by requiring better monitoring of IBR events, ensuring ride-through capability during grid disturbances, and managing unexpected power fluctuations. Certrec is ready to provide the tools and expertise needed to help you effectively meet these evolving compliance requirements. For more information on NERC PRC standards and how to implement them in your organization, stay tuned for our upcoming videos and resources.